All right, Celebrity Apex room tour, take one, room 264, deck 10, knocking. Why, hello.
Oh,
Thank
hello.
you. Thank you. May I come
Come on
in?
in.
May I do a room tour?
Go for it.
I'm not going to start with the bathroom. We'll
No?
come back. We'll come back there.
Okay. Well,
All right, here we are. Oh, you know what? Why am I not doing
wide angle.
wide angle? I'd be terrible at real estate because I'm not doing a wide angle. Let's see if it lets me change it on the fly. Nope. Hang on for a second. Ah, wide angle there. It looks so much larger, right? Don't you think? Anyways, all right. This is our entryway. Here's our art for art's sake. Some cubbies. Oh, there's our Wi-Fi access point, and some storage, which I'm sure plenty of stuff for our nicks and our knacks.
Nicks and necks.
Upstairs. Is this also
This is also storage.
storage? Ah, okay. So these are all fancy. Curtain. All right. So let's do. I'm gonna go this way. We'll look at. We have our celebrity bed. Oh, I should mention this is a Aqua Class. So anything here is Aqua Class, which means it's probably a lot like a normal infinite veranda room, but you get some other benefits that are not room specific to go with it, but maybe a couple room specific things. Anyways, so here's the bed. From previous experience, these beds are very comfortable. I hope there's nothing different than in this case. We have a phone that already is blinking and wants to tell us something. I've already been to my muster station, so I don't want to hear it. Looks like we're going to turn around and Vanna's going to show the closet off. Ah, you can enrobe yourself. There's a safe bag. Your bag's already in there. Slippers, drawers. Good. We'll be making use of this, no doubt. No yoga mat, which means I'm the one time I was going to do yoga, I'm not going to do yoga. On my partner's side of the bed, she's got all the plugs and power. I've got the phone. Turn around here, we can see there's the TV, the television, which you haven't fired up yet. A little vanity action here. So
Yeah, apparently this also, if you want to.
oh, you can slide it in.
Yeah, so.
Give yourself a little bit different space.
Joe is our stateroom attendant.
And there's our excursion stuff, which we
Our
probably should keep handy.
Our excursion stuff. And then, want to.
You go for the slide.
You can slide it
Oh,
in.
man.
And then
More
you get
room.
the full thing.
Not only that, but also you can walk around without, kicking.
Kicking
if you
your,
need it. Oh, look, and while we're here, charging station. This should just come standard in everybody's house now.
Yeah.
Everybody should have a charging station because everybody needs a charging station.
Yep.
All right, moving on. We have.
And then you can close the lid on it and hide it.
Yep. Trip hazard right back out there. All right, and more drawers. Probably not enough drawers for a 7-night cruise, but we'll make do. We are overpackers. And we have a fridge.
Oh, yay.
Good. It didn't come pre-stocked with stuff we're not going to buy.
Plus water's in
We
there.
can put our waters in there. Oh, yes. There's an Aqua Class thing. You do get 2 bottles of water in your room every day for Aqua Class, which is nice. And then we got our room service info. Hopefully there's a door hang for our room service.
I don't know if we got all our
Let's
stuff
see.
yet.
Yeah.
Maybe we didn't get all our stuff yet because we're missing
What are we missing?
the glass.
Oh.
We have one glass. Hopefully it's not dirty.
Okay. Well. And here's well, before we pan out to the infinite veranda, there's the room from the other side. And then we have our couching area. Ta-da. And then the infinite veranda, which I think we showed off on the Alaska cruise because we had this class of ship there. But basically, it's like normally you'd be crossing the threshold now and being on a balcony, on a traditional balcony ship or a traditional balcony room on a ship. Celebrity introduced this thing where they enclose it, and there's actually a shutter here, and there's shutters here. But basically, you get a bigger room with a nice view, top to bottom. There's no fence or anything like that. Fence is probably not the right word, but you know what I mean. But you get a very nice view, and we're gonna figure out what this is like when we go into the Caribbean. It's probably not the hottest time of the year because it's February, but for the Alaska cruise, it was nice because we could drop this thing down and not worry about the room getting too hot because, Alaska. But in this case, I'm not sure what it's going to be like when we're in the Caribbean. But I do like some open seas time too, so we'll see how that works because the knock on it is you open the window and it turns off the air conditioner. But some people say if you close these shutters right, the air conditioner stays on. So stay tuned, more follow. Now,
Right.
probably the most important part,
The
the control panel. Yeah, they definitely.
yeah, let me just
Okay. You can set that down to 66. There's the lowest you can go. Thank you very much.
can also play with the lights.
Yeah. Apparently, we're allowed to use mood lighting.
So there's like morning,
Mhm.
movie,
Like there's theater mode if you're gonna be in here a while.
evening,
Okay.
sleep.
Okay. Oh no, the shade's going down for sleep. There it goes. No, we don't want that. We'll never wake up if it's that dark. And then the real important part, of course, is the bathroom.
Where's the light for the bathroom? Oh, it's outside.
Mhm.
There you go.
Lights for the bathroom, and then the ever stand up or step up. Don't stub your toe.
Yeah, we will at some point.
All right. Have the symmetrical shower. Oh wow, it's going to rain on us from multiple locations. Up above. Little mid-course shower, and then a little foot shower too. With the bar, everyone's favorite,
Yay!
the foot bar. And then, oh, there's me. Sink, standard stuff. It is a little bit bigger. I think it's a little bit bigger bathroom, or if not bigger, it's just well appointed. It's not the Disney style with the 2 different bathrooms, but it is a nice sink area, and you can feel the heat from this mirror. So it's heated mirror, which is anti-fog. So it is warmer in here than the rest of the cabin. I'm sure that's not going to be a problem, right?
Right.
Okay. All right. All right. Well, with that, oh, and there's hooks and stuff too.
Hooks and stuff.
All right. I think
Hooks
that's
and
it. So
stuff.
I don't know. Yeah. If you're on Celebrity Apex and you get 10 264, well, this is what your room's going to look like.